Welcome to Rome Tips. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more helpful reviews. All the links mentioned in this overview, including the link to FinTax, are down in the description below. This review reflects my personal experience using the software. Here's my take on FinTax software. FinTax offers a comprehensive solution for tax preparation and filing, designed to meet the needs of various users, from small business owners and accountants to individuals seeking a streamlined and efficient tax experience. Its feature-rich design caters to both novice users and seasoned tax professionals, making it a versatile tool for a broad audience. One of FinTax's strengths lies in its intuitive user interface and guided workflow, simplifying what can often be a complex and daunting process. The software supports both federal and state tax filings, accommodating various return types, including individual, business, and corporate taxes. This makes it a suitable option for freelancers, small business owners, and even larger organizations seeking a scalable tax solution. FinTax incorporates advanced tools such as automated calculations, built-in error checks, and deduction optimization, ensuring the accuracy of your returns and compliance with current tax laws. A particularly useful feature is its seamless integration with popular accounting software, enabling direct import of financial data, eliminating manual data entry, saving valuable time, and minimizing the risk of errors. Staying up to date with ever-changing tax regulations is crucial, and FinTax addresses this by providing real-time updates on tax law changes. Furthermore, it facilitates collaboration with its multi-user functionality, a valuable asset for accounting teams or businesses where multiple stakeholders are involved in the tax preparation process. Accessibility and security are also key considerations. FinTax operates on a secure, cloud-based platform, allowing users to access their tax data from anywhere, providing flexibility for remote teams or individuals on the go. FinTax excels in customer support, offering comprehensive guides, FAQs, and responsive email support for technical or tax-related questions. For those requiring personalized assistance, the software offers optional access to professional tax advisors at a competitive rate. In conclusion, FinTax presents a robust and versatile tax software solution ideal for businesses and individuals prioritizing accuracy, efficiency, and affordability. Its integration capabilities, user-friendly design, and support for a wide range of tax needs position it as a strong contender in the tax software market. Be sure to check out the links in the description to learn more about FinTax and determine if it's the right fit for your tax filing requirements.